It is garlic planting day here at Grace Walk Farm. So I have here a couple of bags of garlic that I ordered. This is a hardneck garlic, and then I also ordered a softneck garlic, and I'm also planting elephant garlic, which is actually more like a leek, but we love it. So when you plant garlic, you need your garlic seeds, and a seed is literally just a clove. So a garlic clove is planted, and from that clove, the green stalk will come up, and then next spring a bulb will be forming underground. And around June or July, we'll have big garlic bulbs that we can pull up and harvest. So one little clove gives you one new garlic bulb. That's how garlic math works. And so from the new garlic bulb you pull up, you might get 10 new cloves to plant. So planting garlic is really simple. I'm putting it here in one of my raised beds behind me. And when you plant garlic, you want to plant it with the pointy end up, and you want to nestle it just under the soil. Don't bury it very deep. The top should just barely be even covered with soil. And that's how you plant garlic. After we get these planted, then I will cover this area with straw for mulch, and we'll leave it alone until the spring. Garlic is so easy. It is probably the easiest thing I grow in my garden. Plant it in the fall, harvest the following summer, and you'll always have garlic year round. Get out of there, garlic. Bad manners.